Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and this is a Kushal GT unboxing. So today we have not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 tuned cars lined up. So I have the entire tuned series from 2024 to be unboxed right now. So this is the first time I'm doing a whole series unboxing, and to be honest, this is really exciting. Am I right? Okay, let's go. So we'll start with this one. So before I start, and I will be comparing these with some other tuned cars that I already have. So stay tuned till the end of the video in case you want to watch that. So stay tuned till the end of the video and watch that as well. So right now I have 5 cars and 4 of them are designed by Fraser Campbell. So this is designed by Fraser Campbell. This is designed by Fraser Campbell. This is designed by Fraser Campbell, and this is designed by Fraser Campbell as well. This one is designed by Brian Zaho. Okay. So let's arrange them again, and I'll start with 1 and then go to 2 and then 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let's start with this. If you are new to the channel, I had unboxed the black color of this version, so that's this one. You can check out the video. Okay, and let's unbox this one. So this is from the Fast and Furious movie. Right, this is the car of Dominic Toretto, played by Vin Diesel. Okay. So this is the car. Oh, beautiful. This is so beautiful. You have smaller wheels in the front, bigger wheels at the rear. So this comes in the metal flake gray color. The wheel type here is 5SP. You have the black alloys and chrome rims. You have the RT badging right here, and you have this black stripe that goes around the rear, and you have the RT badging here as well. You have the, what do you say, blinker, turn indicator right here, detailing, and even on this side you have front embossed detailing, and you have this engine that's coming out of the hood. You have the squished design, and the driver side window is open. Okay, let's do a quick roll test. Tiny car. It goes around like, it spins nicely. There is some wheel wobble in the front, but this is a very cute casting, isn't it? Very cute casting. So let's do a side to side with the black one. Look at that. Next up we have the Porsche 911 Turbo 3.6 964. This one I had bought it in which case? I think it was the M case, if I'm not wrong. Okay, and since then I've been waiting to unbox it. Okay, wow, that's a beautiful color, and look at the details. The Porsche logo, the headlight details, the 964 turbo badging on the nameplate, the fog lamp details, right? The window side is rolled down here as well. It has rear view mirrors, and wow, it says turbo 3.6 right there, and it says 964 on the nameplate, and it has the Porsche badging. This, and it also has rear exhausts. Nice base. This comes in the metal flake dark purple color. It is a bit shiny, and you can see nice embossing on this one. See, you have the blue tint glass. This one has the micro 5 SP wheels, chrome color. Okay, let's do a roll test for this one. Yeah, it rolls nicely. These are so cute. I mean, look at them. Pretty nice and amazing casting. Let's move on to the third one. So I recently unboxed this color that has come into the A case. If you want to check that out, you can check it out. Now I have the older version in the sky blue color. So this one is designed by Brian Zaho. He also designed the Volkswagen T3 Custom. If you want to check that video out, you can check it out on my YouTube channel. Wow. Okay. This looks much striking in real life. This blue color speaks a lot. See? That's the blue color. Look at that. Very beautiful, right? So it has windows rolled down on both the sides. No, just on the right hand side, because it is a right hand drive car. And you have the Liberty Walk badging. You have the exhaust details. You also have the tail lamp details, but embossed. Same on this side. You have the Liberty Walk badging on the windscreen, and you have beautiful headlight details. This base is pretty simple, decent. Oh, I have not shown you the base for the Dodge Charger. So this one's pretty unique. The base, it's not sideways, but it's like this. It has nice chassis details as well in the front and the back. So coming to this one. So this one comes in the sky blue, and this has black FC3 wheels. This has the micro FC3 wheels. These are very small wheels. Let's do a roll test. Yeah, it rolls nicely, as one might expect. Not too great, not too bad, not too shabby. Okay, so let's keep this aside, and let's go with the 94 Toyota Supra. Again, designed by Fraser Campbell as well. Let's open it up. Nice card art. Wow, even this is pretty impressive. Okay, so this comes in this metal flake copper, and you have the nice livery. You have the OH5 chrome wheels. You don't have the rear details, but you have the metal spoiler here. So you have the window roll down on both the sides. You have the chrome interiors. This is the base. I hope you are able to see that. So you can see these detailings here, subtle detailings. You can see the exhaust details here. Wow, the front detail is amazing. Yeah, look at that. You have the Toyota badging. You have the headlight details. You have the painted hood scoops, but they are not actual hood scoops. And you can also see this intrusion in the middle, right inside. Yep, just a sec. You can see that here, right? That is how the tuned casting is made. And you can see the screw fittings. It's not till the end, it's here in the middle, almost halfway, and that is where you can see that huge pole that's connecting the top and the bottom. Yeah, pretty good. Let's do a roll test. Okay, this rolls the best among all of these so far. We have one more casting left. So this one is the small block. This is, I don't know how it is tuned per se, but it is tuned. This is based on the Pinewood Derby muscle cars that look similar. Okay, out of the box. So you have the base, you have the metal base in Zamac, you have this wood texture finish on this one, and it's a small block. This car color is in tan, and you have the black details, and you have this nice decals on this one. You have the HWGRFX badging, you have the turn indicator badging. You don't have the front details and such, it doesn't have any. Even this is metal, this is the part of the base actually. Same details on the side. You have the exhausts here, you have the tan wheels, and the wheel type is L4. Okay, you can see those 4 spokes, that is the 4 what it stands for. Nice. Let's do a roll test. It rolls very nicely, it's very sturdy. It is not it does not have any wheel wobble as such, and this is a pretty neat casting. I don't know if I should do this or not. I want to open this, let's see what is there inside, but it might ruin the whole casting. It really feels nice to hold this, and it really looks very unique and distinct, right? I'll show you the inspiration behind this, just one sec. So these are the pine wood cars. Okay, look at these. So this is the inspiration for this small block, and they have done a pretty awesome job with this. It is plastic, but when I look at it in the first glance, it passes as if it was made out of wood. Okay, so we have the small block, we have the Toyota Supra, we also have the Nissan 2000 GTR Liberty Walk, we have the Porsche, and we have the Dodge Charger. So what we don't have here is the Mazda RX-3, and that is this one. So this one came under the J Imports series and not under the Tooned, and this one is pretty well made as well. I don't know why the exposure is too much here. Yeah, so this comes in this mustard yellowish color. I don't know if the so it has pretty amazing front details, and you have the nice livery on this one. You have the rear details as well. So even this is a pretty awesome casting. Okay, so this was one of the first cars that I purchased this year when I resumed my collection hobby. It's that time of the video when I rate my favorite from the Tooned series alone. So these are the Tooned series, and now I'll start from the least favorite to my first favorite. You know what, like, just take my breath away instead. It's very difficult to make this decision, but yeah, to me what stood out the most was the small block, super honesty time. I really love the design, the texture, and this is very unique as a Hot Wheel, and as a collector myself, I feel that this is pretty awesome. Okay, and apart from that, I think the Porsche 964 Turbo has done a pretty good job with the details and with the colors. It looks very nice, very cute. Yes, we also have the Supra that has awesome details, front details. We also have the Liberty Walk that has front details. Overall, all these cars have pretty good details, but just this one has embossed details. I can understand why they have gone with that, and it makes sense. But yeah, this is pretty clean stock, and even this is cool with the chrome interiors and all. So even this one has chrome interior, this one has chrome interiors, this one and this one has the black interiors. Okay, all right, so let's get down to why some people like Tooned cars and some people don't like Tooned cars. The major reason is everyone has their opinions. Okay, and see, I basically love Tooned cars. It might be of this new style that they have gone with, that Hot Wheels has chose to do, you know, where you squeeze the whole car and the windows and the windshield, the whole thing goes tall. If you don't remember the previous cars, let me show you. Okay, so this is how the older tuned cars look. Okay, and to be honest, I genuinely like both of the styles. Okay, that was a bit fat and choppy. These are much more, you know, angular and have a straight face. And yeah, so irrespective of what it is, I like both the tuned cars. So the whole group is divided into two thinking and ideologies or opinions, we can say. First one is they like either the newer tuned cars or the older tuned cars, or they could like both of them. So that is the first type, and I fall into that. Second type is they don't like any of the tuned cars, and I can really try to understand why they don't like it. They may have their opinions, they may have their thoughts, true, and I respect that. Their opinions, it is theirs, not mine. So yeah, to me, I think tuned cars are very cute and they're very beautiful. Check out these cars as well. So this is the Mazda RX-3, very beautiful casting. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk, the new one in the A case. And this is the 70 Dodge Charger from the previous cases in black color, and this year around in the latest case we had it in the gray color. That's there, and this one is in the black color. And how could not one fall in love with this beautiful cutie pie, right? This is so beautiful, so cute. Let me remove the background cars. Look at it. It is so beautiful. And look at the Supra as well. That is so cute in its own. And look at this. These are such beautiful tuned cars. So I really don't know why would someone not like tuned cars. Maybe they don't feel as real as they should. But that's the part about tuned cars, right? The name suggests that they are tuned, and that basically comes from cartooned. Okay, so it is supposed to be cartoonish, and why not? If you like Tom and Jerry, if you like Mickey Mouse and all the other cartoons, I think this passes as well, right? Anyways, so I love tuned cars. It doesn't matter. If you like it, let me know in the comments. If you don't, then try to love them. That's all I can say. So that's it from today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. I know it's a long video. It's fine. So yeah, stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know if you love this tuned cars or do you love the older tuned cars. And if let's wrap it up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting. And check out the previous videos if you haven't. The A case videos is out and you can check it out.